Listen, and this is another thing that you parents need to quit doing. Putting your traumas onto them. Like, for example, you get a lot of children, 10, 11 years old, they'll be howling, I got issues, I got problems. My mama can't pay her light bill. My mama can't pay her rent. My mama can't do this. My mama can't do that. Listen, that's not a child problem. That's a personal problem. And if you didn't cause the problem, figure out a solution to the problem. Sometimes y'all don't understand the way God moves. Y'all think that God supposed to show up every time you get into some type of challenge or obstacles. Yes, there's a lot of single mothers out here. I was a single mother of 3, but I did not throw my traumas and my challenges and my obstacles on my kids. I handled that. I didn't have time to be sitting around moping and crying and complaining and calling everybody up on the phone, involving family members that ain't going to show up. No hell. Why I'm going to tell them a problem when they ain't got no solution? Only thing they're going to do is add to my problem, just listening to it. They carry it and take it on to somebody else. Girl, you know, she got them children in their house. They ain't got no lights. They ain't got no water. They ain't got nothing. What you doing? There's no such thing as adding to problems. You're supposed to subtract from them. You're supposed to add what is causing the problem. Then if you can't subtract it, then you divide. Then you multiply. See, problems is a mathematic thing. Look at it as a mathematic thing. If something is causing you to go down the drain, then you're going to have to subtract that thing. You equal things that adds to your life. Then you equal. You find the square root of it. See, a lot of people don't like to solve spiritual problems because you don't know how. I tell y'all all the time, Christ came in my life. He changed my whole life. He changed the whole journey. And I'm very grateful. I'm free. Now, I still had little people trying to attach their problems to me. That wasn't my problem, so I subtract them. Everyone that try to add their problems to me, I subtract now. If you're going to be a problem for me, you have to be subtracted. My square root is freedom. It's freedom. All you got to do is sit down and see who is causing the problem. If you're causing the problem, then you're going to have to subtract some things. But when you got children, we got to learn how to give them a healthy life. Let them be childlike. Let them live out their childhood. It's not their problem you couldn't do it. It's your problem to get to it. That's a solution to your problems.